Management of your IT infrastructure has never been more important in today's ever-changing world of technology. Is there anything more important than eliminating the risk and removing the burden of your IT operations? Worldwide Services delivers a wide range of world-class managed IT services, all designed to provide technology solutions that will protect your business. Our comprehensive suite of services, ranging from consulting to project management, from technical and field support, including maintenance to 24-hour network monitoring, and a complete network lifecycle management program, supporting over 200 different brands. Cloud and network migration, reverse logistics, spares management, repair services, whatever your information technology requirements are, Worldwide Services has a solution. Your business depends on your IT infrastructure. Eliminate the risk and guarantee 100% network reliability. Contact us today. We are here to help.